Hello and welcome to the NICU. This is where you and your baby will be staying for a little bit. Over here is our guest services desk where you will be checking in and they will be issuing you a visitor badge. Over here is where the NICU waiting room is, and here is the hallway where the entrance is to the unit. We are going to go on the other side to show you a few things. Right here is what we call the pumping room or nursing mothers. This is where, if you are a breastfeeding mom, you are going to get all of your breastfeeding or all of your bottles in which to pump in these bins. Also, here is a microwave that you're going to be using to sterilize your breast pump parts. Over here will be the milk room where you will be storing your breast milk after you've pumped it. You will keep it in your bedside refrigerator for up to 48 hours. But on hour number 47, you are going to be bringing it down to the milk room for proper storage. So when you bring it down here for proper storage, you are going to be talking to the assistants that are back here. And there is Vanna showing you where we're going to be storing your breast milk. So this is how your breast milk is going to be stored. Your baby will get its own bin and everything will be labeled. The labels they give you, you will write the date and the time on everything that you bring in here. The label will have all your baby's information in it. And then they will log in every CC that comes in, and they will log out every CC that goes out. And when it's time for your baby to eat, they will send it to the bedside. Down this way, we will go into the family lounge. On the walls, you will notice these great pictures. They are called our walls of hope. They're babies that have been in our NICU when they were little, with a little synopsis under their picture, and then what they look like now. So this is where a place that you can come for comfort and rest. This is the host office and child life. When we are in there, the door's open. You're welcome to come. Let us know what your needs are. And then down here, we have more resting area, eating area. Here is where we have a consult room where you can use for privacy, or if a doctor needs to have a meeting with you, that's where they will go as well. This is where you will get your coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. And we have plenty of that. We do not offer food boxes or anything like that, any kind of food in here. But we have these commercial coffee pots. So we have these drop pouches. So you just empty them. Make sure that the coffee pot is fully emptied and rinsed. And then all you have to do is put a new pouch in here and hit the blue button and you're all set. This is where you're going to get your ice and water. And should you have another need for food storage or freezing, you can put it in this as long as you label it with your name, date, and room number on one of those tags. Over this way, we have our family laundry room. And then in here we have our washers and dryers that you can use. But if you're done with a washer, leave it open because they're front loads and they need to dry. We also provide you with all clear and free, which is very safe to use for babies. And then over here is a sink where you can rinse and sterilize your breast pump parts. So this actual microwave is in the laundry room. You cannot use this microwave for food at all. It is only for breast pump parts. And then down the hall here, we have our information board right here where you can see anything or read anything that's going on in the hospital. This is our Wish For You tree where you can put up a little message for your baby or a staff member. And over here are our family restrooms and showers because our rooms do not have restrooms in them because our babies are the patients, so they don't need a restroom. Inside here, we have, this is what the restroom looks like. And then we have our showers over here. You can get your towels, washcloths, and toiletry packets from us, the nurses, or the techs on the floor. So now the next video that I'm going to show you is when we're going into the unit and going to show you a room. On the walls here, again, are our walls of hope. Hopefully this helps. See you in the next video.